So here I am drawing a commission. It's a Fiverr commission. I've started back up on Fiverr. I'll be doing a video all about Fiverr and my experiences with Fiverr and how it is good for freelance artists and things like that. So I'll be doing a video about that. But this is a drawing that I'm working on for someone on Fiverr. They did say trying to do like an exploded head with all these demons and stuff coming out of it, and so I just sort of went to town and just like on this idea, and I like drawing all this stuff. There's like tentacles and other stuff and other lots of details. I've just got to separate a lot of the pieces of artwork with adding like darker tones in between the lighter stuff, so it all like really separates and creates a nice illustration design. I've got a lot to do on it, but I should have this finished by the end of the day, so I quite like it. Unsure whether it's going to have like a collar or a suit, but I'm going to cut that off under there so I can trim this. So here's an update on this drawing, this commission that I'm doing. I've just done some ink splatters. I may do some more varied ink splatters, some larger splatters, because they've got to maybe look like loads of slime and blood and guts and other stuff, but it's all in black and white, so I'm not colouring it, but I just want a nice contrast between the splatters and just some good splatters really. There's some fine little splatters there, but I need some like I don't know, longer sort of splatters, maybe like trails, just experiment with different trails that I can do of the splatters and things, and just some last minute inking details on more of these bits at the top. And yeah, I think this commission will be done after that. I enjoyed drawing this one. I think it shows because I like drawing this type of stuff. Took a couple of days, not like working on it continuous, but I've had other work on like sketch cards and things, but yeah, quite like drawing this one. A bit more detail on the neck and shadowing and things like that, just to bring it all together. Yeah, but I quite like this one. It's going good. I'll show you the final piece when I've finished, which shouldn't look any much different from this really, but maybe more darker tones there and splatters just to equal it all out. It looks like a real crazy hairstyle. Anyway, I'll update you later. So here is that drawing finished. Just did like more details around the top, and I did like some white splatters on here. I did want to do some more little splatters, but I just thought I'd just leave it as that. It's quite a detailed inked piece for this commission, so now that that's finished, work begins on another commission. It's supposed to be like of an army soldier wearing like body armor, but the body armor is no good because it's like got a huge hole in the side of his stomach there. I need to redraw the helmet because it don't look right, but it's just a sketch at this stage. But this is a commission for the same person who I drew them dog illustrations for. This is like just a panel, within that story. It's going to be, I think it's a prequel story to the other things that I've illustrated. So yeah, just pencil sketch for now, and I want to try and do loads of blood splatters on this one. Blood coming out of his mouth there, as you can see. I just got to re-sketch some things, like I said, the helmet. I don't know whether to do, I was going to do him holding a gun, but I think I changed that last minute. But yeah, there's that illustration. I'm also working on other cards, sketch cards, and there's more on the way as well, so I'll be doing them, keeping busy. And I've got a few videos to edit, so I'll try and edit them. How to draw monster faces, which I've done 2 examples for, and I think it'll be a 40-minute video. I've just got to do the talk over. with a microphone and that, and so look for that fairly soon.